Bet you this like just the summer under the covers. Me in the middle, overprotected of my lover. You make me go over. You made it up. And this is special. What would you do? Yeah, it could have anyone else you wanted to. But I'm begging you. Hands up, back off, Gabriella, back off, I'm begging you, hands up, Gabriella. I'm free. They could describe everything with one single word, like Bubba Signal, Tesla, Reggie Gant, Marley, Party in the Hollywood Hills, this song, Marley. Oh my god, stupid. Oh my god, what's this rate? Oh, we're in a solicitation, not getting it. Oh, we're going out tonight, oh my god, this song is so lit. Oh my gosh. No. Everything's silent. Hotty like a bag of coffee. Oh no, I'm not gonna say my 4. Touch, talk about you much, overthinking us, cause you've been told of touch, you could've got my love. Monday, I was dreaming about you. Tuesday, I was waiting there. Today, I was sitting here for you. And what can I say? Oh baby, I was waiting for you. Thursday, I was listening to you. Friday, but you've been out of touch, but I'm up with you, much. No, I'm not trying this. 5, I think. Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The words of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that I didn't. Wait. I have something in my throat. Sorry if I make all of you just sorry. Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The words of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that I've been handled. Understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My life so collided. I don't know what I did. I trust you to be on my side. I've broken so many pieces, and I can't go back. But now I see all the beauty everyone for my karaoke video. Please subscribe and like. So, how many songs have we watched? Do not cheat, do not look again, okay? So, please follow me for doing this. This was a request from my pinsans, Paul, and my brother, Kel. So, I was supposed to do it, but I was supposed to go to 10, but my voice is kind of low age and it hurts like now. Please comment down to heal me up, please. I'm not joking. Sorry that I ended it. I'll just do another one if my voice is okay now. And like I was struggling to others songs because I didn't even know it, and I just played in the middle one. So please don't judge me of my voice if I sounded like that because I was not fully recovered. Sorry, but I'm bad at talking English because I'm Tagalog. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.